All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I got the best idea in all of history. This is going to make me a multi-bazillionaire. It is the solution to being tired throughout the day. What I've invented here is called the coffee pot hat. All you got to do is put this bad boy on your head, get the tube, and boom, you can drink coffee all day while you're working. Now imagine this, friends. This thing is going to sell so many. It is the best idea. And what you gotta have to make money online is a good idea. If you don't, your idea sucks. That's never gonna make money. What the hell? You know, a lot of people think the key to making money online is having a good idea. But ideas will only get you so far. And today what I'm going to talk to you about is not only 5 good ideas that you can use to start making money right now as an affiliate marketer or even a side hustle, but I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to implement those ideas so you can start taking action and making money online fast. And we're starting right now. Welcome back inside. My name is Marcus and I've been making money online for the last 19 years full time. That's right, back when I was about 20 years old I started this business and I haven't looked back ever since. And what we're going to do today is talk to you about the 5 major money making ideas and what I think is the best. But I want you to remember that an idea is only as good as the implementation behind it. You can have the greatest idea in the world, but if you don't do anything with it, you're not going to make anything with it. And we are going to get started and talk about that. Now, if you're new here and you like these kind of videos and you want to learn to make money online with affiliate marketing and other ventures, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, then click the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of my videos, and you'll be notified every Wednesday at 10 a.m. and Friday at 10 a.m. when we have a live training here on the channel. So subscribe to get that. Now, let's go ahead and dive right in and talk about these 5 ideas. First of all, we have ideas like Shopify. We'll put shop, and I'll get a better pen for you. Right? We have Shopify there. We have stuff like Etsy. We have stuff like info marketing, okay, where you market information online. We'll put info marketing. We have stuff like network marketing. And then lastly, we have something called affiliate marketing. Now, we have these 5 things, and a lot of them you might have heard of. Now, Shopify is a great way to get started. A lot of people get on there and they sell little things, or they do free plus shipping offers where they make a little bit of money on a lot of purchases. Now, the problem with Shopify is you have to get traffic, okay? You got to get traffic to your shop to be able to sell the stuff that you have. Now, a lot of it has to do with drop shipping or purchasing products and things like that, which I don't usually like to get into because they have customer support. Now, my thinking is if I'm going to drive traffic, I want to drive the traffic or the visitors to something that's going to make me the most, and also get rid of all the stuff that I have to do, right? Because if I have to do customer service and everything, I'm going to be like slammed and I'm going to be busy and I'm limited by the amount of stuff I can do. Now, it can be a good way. You can build it into a business. A lot of people do that, and you know, it's definitely viable. So you can check out the link below on how to do Shopify and everything like that. Next, we have things like Etsy or eBay or something like that. Many of people have made millions of dollars, hundreds of thousands, lots of money on eBay and Etsy, and what they do is they get a product and they sell it. They can have their own product, they can create their own product. Maybe you got the idea for the coffee pot hat, right? They can put it on Etsy and they can do that. I actually am friends with a designer who makes her own clothes and sells it on Etsy. Now, the problem that she's dealing with is, again, you got to drive traffic to these things and you got to get visitors. So you got to get visitors to Shopify, you got to get visitors to Etsy, you got to sell this stuff really hardcore. And a lot of times it's very difficult because the markets that people go into, like the t-shirt market or the coffee mug market or something like that, it's really competitive, and the amount of money you're making on these products is really, really low. Now, with eBay, it's a little bit different because eBay, we'll put eBay here, right? eBay has a built-in traffic source, right? People go to eBay to search for things to buy, so they have their own. Okay, you can also do this with Amazon, same kind of thing. Amazon has their own search engine as well. So you can take advantage of their traffic, which is a lot easier and less difficult and cheaper to get traffic. Now, again, these platforms, eBay's been around a long time, so it's super competitive. Amazon's been around quite a while as well, and it's getting super competitive as well. So you're going into a competitive marketplace, and oftentimes it's very difficult for a guy with a little money or someone who's just starting out to get started, right? It's very difficult to do these things. So Shopify, Etsy, eBay, Amazon, a lot of these will work, but again, you have to have the right direction. And what I look at is not so much the idea that I have, because a lot of you guys are here and you're like, Marcus, I just want to make money and I need an idea. Okay, going to Amazon, unless you have an idea or know how to find a niche or know how to find a market, it's not going to work that well. Same with Etsy, same with Shopify. A lot of times people don't know what they're doing. So we want to show them how to get in there and how to know what they're doing. Another thing we have is info marketing. Now, info marketing is one of my favorite things to do. This is where you package information, whether you've written yourself or whether you've done resell rights where you buy the rights to an info product or a service or video set or plugin or something like that, and you actually market it online. Now, these are a lot more cut and dry, because if I have a plugin that's for, you know, like WordPress or maybe an app for a phone or something, all I have to do is market it under the problems that that solves. Very easy to do. For example, if I buy the rights to a book about how to take care of your cat, then all I need to do is be like, you know, cat won't eat, cat won't sleep, cat biting, whatever, and I can start using these keywords, which are very, very inexpensive, drive people to the product, and then boom, I could sell that product, which is really cool. Okay, very easy. I've made millions of dollars with info marketing, and it works really, really well. The next thing we want to look at is network marketing. Now, network marketing has a really bad rap, and the reason it has a bad rap is because a lot of people promote the opportunity and the product lacks, right? You might see these where it's like, hey, our money-making opportunity is great. You're going to sell people these websites so that they can get in on the money-making opportunity, right? In the end, there's no real product there. There's no real value to the end user, the customer, right? There's no real value. It's kind of like a pyramid scheme if there's no product. Now, there are other network marketing companies that are very good that offer products like health products or, you know, beauty products or maybe services or something like that. Those can be good, but you have to make sure that the product is in demand. You have to make sure it works really well. Now, this is known as network marketing or multi-level marketing, where you build a downline and you get paid. But again, you got to go ask your family to sign up. You got to go bug people, and it's kind of not that fun. And the amount of money you make for the work, in my opinion, is not that great. Next, my favorite, next to info marketing, is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is where you go out there and your goal is to find what people are searching for. Back in 2008, I found out that people were searching for like layouts and backgrounds and things for their website. I set up a simple one-page website and made tons of money. Lots of money. One of my biggest websites was back then. Now I set up lots of websites as well around web hosting, where I get paid $100 a sale, around things like different shopping carts, around different downloads, different lead products and things like that, where all I have to do is set up a simple blog or web page, be the middleman, drive traffic, and make money, right? So it's really cool. And my favorite way to make money online is through affiliate marketing, because I don't have to deal with selling stuff, shipping stuff, being customer support. I don't have to deal with Etsy. Now, Etsy's good if you have your own product or you're a designer like my friend, but you got to get traffic. eBay, Amazon, I don't have to deal with anything like that. Info marketing, good. I can actually evolve affiliate marketing into it, or network marketing. I don't have to deal with that, right? With affiliate marketing, all I have to do is find what people search for. Okay, over 4 million people every 60 seconds search Google alone. That doesn't even include the people that search YouTube. That doesn't include the people that search MSN, Yahoo, or any other search engine. That's just Google alone. So with over 4 million people searching every minute, what they're doing is they're searching for problems and solutions. Just like you found this video. Either you're my subscriber. If you're not, you should be. Click the subscribe button, right? And click the bell. But if you're not my subscriber yet, yes, you should be. You probably search for money-making ideas or ways to make money ideas online in Google or in YouTube, and you found this video. Okay, now on this video, this is a solution to your problem. It's like, here we go. We're showing you 6 or 7 different ways to make money, different ideas, things like that. Now, when I do this, all I have to do is link to an affiliate program. For example, if I say I find people that look for what to do after a car wreck, okay, here's this guy, he got a little fender bender or whatever, and he types in what to do after a car wreck. Okay, now this word has literally zero competition. I can rank for this word very simply. I can get traffic super cheap. Now the question is what do I do with it, right? I could send them to Shopify, but what am I gonna sell them? Like a bumper? I don't know, that's probably not gonna work. I could send them to Etsy or eBay to find new car parts or whatnot. Probably not gonna work. I could make an info product about, hey, 5 things to do after a car wreck, and probably difficult to sell. I can do network marketing, whatever. But if I do affiliate marketing, what I can do is I can actually go to an affiliate network. Now these affiliate networks have offers for leads, okay? They want leads. So like you have leads for like local lawyers, okay? So we could take this guy looking for what to do after a car wreck. We can take 5 things. 1, get the insurance. 2, get this. 3, get this. 4, make sure everyone's okay, call 911, whatever, right? And 5, call this lawyer, call lawyer, okay? Or go get a lawyer or something like that. We use this one where it says get a lawyer, and then it goes to an affiliate offer where all the customer has to do is fill out an info page for a lawyer, and I might get anywhere from $40 to a couple $100 to generate that lead for the company. Now here's the cool part. I don't have to do anything. This link that I have on my site that takes them to the lawyer page tracks everything. So I set up a site one time, send them to the offer, and I get paid when they fill it out. Just this weekend I was doing this same exact thing. I made over $1,400 on one little offer alone. Did the same thing with web hosting. Made over $1,000 on one little offer alone. So this works really well, and there's lots of things you can do, from free downloads to lead forms to giveaways to products you can sell. And it's very, very easy, and it takes all the work out. You don't have to deal with customer support. You don't have to deal with all the junk. You simply set up a little one-page website that answers a question people are asking, send them to the offer, and boom, you get paid. So, in my opinion, the best way to get going is affiliate marketing. And if you like this idea, if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, I'd like you to go ahead and subscribe, check out the videos that we have here, and then go over to affiliatemarketingdude.com, put your name and email, you'll get my free tools on how to get started with affiliate marketing. There's lots of people making a lot of money with affiliate marketing, and you could be one of them. Again, results not typical. The average affiliate marketer makes nothing because they do nothing. That's what I was talking about in the beginning, where I said, hey, look, all these ideas are great, but if you don't implement them, you're not going to get anything. It takes some work, it takes some trial, it takes some error, but in my opinion, it's the easiest way to get started making money now. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Make sure you subscribe, check out my other videos, and choose what you want to do. If you have a t-shirt you want to sell, go to Shopify. If you have your own clothing line or little jewelry you make, go to Etsy. If you're selling grandma's old antiques, go to eBay. If you got a book or a product that you can import and sell really cheap, go to Amazon. If you are not knowing what to do and you want to join a company and you like talking to people, maybe check out some network marketing companies. Again, not my cup of tea. I have done it in the past though. If you want to create an info product, like there's people making info products about how to use your computer. There was a guy back in the day who was making millions of dollars teaching people how to use Microsoft Word and Excel and stuff like that. So if he can do it, you can too. And I guarantee a lot of you guys watching this probably know more than the average computer user. So you can do that as well. And I also teach info marketing here on my channel too. And of course, if you don't know where to get started, but you just want to get started making money somewhere, go over and check out affiliate marketing. You can go to affiliatemarketingdude.com, get some free tools and resources. And hey, if you like it, you can join us in one of our programs and everything like that. But only after you find out that this is what you want to do, which if you're looking for a great side hustle or full income opportunity, that is the way to go. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I broke a coffee pot just for you. Thanks again. See you in the next video.